Everyone starts from zero. Whom you see as millionaires today, we once worked with very low wages. The point is that you need to be careful and be cautious, and then you will easily get rich without even having a high salary. Well, in this video we'll be telling you about the 10 tricks that will make you rich on a very low income. Watch the video till the end or you may miss some important lessons. Now let's start. 1. Make a financial plan. The most important step in getting rich, regardless of income level, is creating a budget. Creating a budget can help you see exactly how your money is being spent. We waste money much too often without giving any thought to the whole amount. Keeping track of all of your expenditures and labeling them as either required or unneeded is one approach. Include essentials like rent, food, petrol, and auto payments in your budget. Making a budget, whether on paper or in an app, can help you save money quickly and improve your financial situation. The basic budgeting blunders we all make may be avoided with the aid of an app like Hiatus, which enables you to establish personalized budgets based on your spending patterns. When you know exactly where your money is going, you can prioritize your spending accordingly. 2. Open a savings account. Opening a savings account, whether it be a high-yield savings account or an alternative, may help you receive money quickly even on a low salary. Your funds will increase more quickly in a bank account, and you won't be tempted to spend it since it won't be lying around the home. Compared to the 5% to 7% APY, annual percentage yield, that may be earned on a high-yield savings account, the average APY, annual percentage yield, for a typical savings account is 0.42%. The federal government guarantees the safety of savings accounts, and you may access your money at any time. If you want to know more earning tricks, then do subscribe to our channel and also press the like button. 3. Reduce your monthly utility costs. If you're short on cash right now, cutting your monthly costs is a good place to start saving. Check your monthly utility bills and see if you can cut any unnecessary expenses. You may, for instance, try switching to a different, less expensive phone or internet plan. Many financial apps may help you track all of your monthly expenses in one place and negotiate lower prices for you whenever possible. You may reduce your water cost by turning down the heat and taking shorter, cooler showers. Why not take a quick shower at the gym after your exercise if you're a regular gym goer? Every little bit helps, and even minor reductions may add up to huge savings over time. 4. Invest your money into tax-free accounts. Increase your retirement savings by taking advantage of automated contributions. Employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as 401(k)s, allow you to save for your retirement using money that has already been deducted from your paycheck before taxes are taken out. In addition to potentially providing a lucrative employer match program, this will assist reduce your taxable income. Some companies may double or even triple the money you put into your 401(k) plan. Remember that in order to qualify for the employer's matching contribution, you must make a minimum contribution. 5. Stop paying for pointless monthly services. Now that you have a better handle on your finances and can see exactly where your money is going, you can begin cutting down on wasteful spending. Getting rid of unused recurring payments is a significant step in that direction. If you want to catch up on all your favorite programs, you may be tempted to sign up for many different streaming services. Pick one streaming service you like and ditch the others. Your self-control can let you easily terminate your membership. You can start putting money back into your pockets with only a few taps, if required. 6. Constantly be on the lookout for discounts. When money is tight, one strategy for stretching it farther is to use coupons. You may save money on necessities by using coupons you find online or in stores. You may save a lot of money on things like apparel, furniture, and gadgets by waiting for deals to come around. You should shop around to get the lowest costs and the finest offers. However, you should just buy necessities and avoid making any unnecessary purchases. You may want to join an organization in your area that provides member discounts on things like dining out, going to the movies, and using the bus. 7. Get a part-time job. If you've reduced your expenses but are still not making headway, a part-time work may be worth looking into. It's the simplest method to boost earnings and start saving more money right now. Earning extra money as a freelancer or part-timer is possible via activities such as driving for Uber or Lyft, providing online tuition, or selling goods on eBay. Dog walking and home cleaning are two examples of flexible side jobs that may fit into a busy schedule. 8. Reduce your food budget expenses. It's one of those costs that you can't avoid, but managing it is possible. The amount of money spent on meals is often understated. 3 meals a day may add up quickly, particularly if you're someone who loves to eat out and socialize often. Track your monthly food expenses with some degree of diligence. Both cooking your meals and making coffee at home are wonderful strategies to save money quickly on a limited budget. To your amazement, these measures may help cut the price by half or more. 9. Discover less expensive travel options. The cost of getting from A to B may add up quickly. Rather than using your automobile for every trip, consider getting a bike or learning to walk. This will cut down on petrol expenditures and you can get in some exercise as well, 2 benefits with one task. Instead of driving everywhere, using public transit may save you money. If you and a colleague live in close proximity to one another, you may carpool to work and split the gas costs. Keep in mind that the benefits of your current efforts will accrue over time. 10. Switch off appliances. The cost of utilities is a significant burden for many families. Saving money by decreasing energy use is a good idea. When not in use, disconnect electronics rather than merely turning off the switch. If only just switched off, they may still be able to draw electricity even if they are malfunctioning. You may also replace incandescent lights with energy-efficient LED light bulbs. Energy-efficient equipment, such as dishwashers and refrigerators, may also make a dent in your monthly utility costs. 11. Invest your money smartly. You can become rich by investing your money wisely. You could start by learning more. Pay attention to various financial choices like stocks, mutual funds, and real estate. Discover the dangers and possible benefits of each choice. Diversify your investments. Invest in a variety of asset types and businesses to lower your risk and increase your possible rewards. Try not to put all of your eggs into a single basket. Additionally, you should consistently spend. Invest a set amount of money on a regular basis, like every month or every 3 months. Take advantage of market changes and lessen the effects of short-term market instability by doing this. Additionally, you should set clear and attainable financial goals, like achieving a certain rate of return or saving a certain amount of money. Investors shouldn't let fear or greed affect their choices. Maintain your financial plan and fight the desire to act on short-term market changes without thinking. Staying focused on your business plan will be easier if you do this. That's all for today. Now you know all the tricks to get rich on a very low income. Use these tricks to get rich. These are suggested by famous millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Charlie Munger, Robert Kiyosaki, and many more. Elon Musk worked just for fun, but after selling his company PayPal, he became a millionaire. Most of the current billionaires once worked for free for others. You must get motivated from them. You should also start working towards financial freedom instead of complaining about your salary. Share this video with everyone who is having a low salary. Comment below if you are having any queries. Press the subscribe button and you want to know more amazing tricks to get rich. Press the like button also. It motivates us to make more new and amazing video related to finance. Thank you for watching.